Hi everyone, this is Sandeep from Dr. YSR Nitim and National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality. We're gonna achieve something today. Like we have a summer camp in our campus for kids, and this is of about three weeks. Actually, we thought that this is the first time we are organizing an event. We are the coordinators of this event. Me and my friends have a team. This is a teamwork, not a single one. This is a teamwork, and you're gonna see that thing. And today we achieved something. We got a lot of appreciations from many other companies and from our director and many other people, and especially from the parents of those children who joined in the summer camp. I'm proud to say like we achieved something. Like we're gonna, because of this our ideas, everything done. This thing happened, and today I feel myself to be a proud. Like myself, I did something. I did something to children. I taught something. They're like very happy to learn everything now. They're new to us and we are new to them. And these 3 weeks gonna very close to them. And by saying them everything, like I thought my school days like would be this like, and this thing. They're very close to us. Even we can't leave them alone. Like these 3 weeks are like very attachable with them, and many companies like Hybro is the main thing which helped us a lot by speakers and all everything. It by audio visuals like screens. It provided everything, and these this thing is very useful to these children. Like we conducted many things like magic shows, art and craft, how to paper works, and wastage of waste papers can be used in the way of by something making the toys or something. And we have a nice artist named as Sharon Bai, and he said he teaches them a lot, and by making Taj Mahals, and the paper, the waste paper should be how it will be used, the thing. And thanks to everyone who worked with my team, and special thanks to Thoin. This idea was implemented by Thoin, and she's a Nigerian, and she coming to this country from Nigeria to India, and she gonna do this thing. We people like very happy to them, and thanks to everyone.